Okay, good morning. I'll just quickly show you how to log into your school portal. So the first thing you do is come to the link. Once you're here on this page, you're going to see this landing page for the school. So you need to select the school that you're working with, either Oak Crest International, Oak Crest Montessori. Say Oak Crest Montessori. You need to ask, change what do you want to do. I want to log into my teacher's account and click go. Next thing I need to do is put my school registration, then it opens the portal for the school. Okay, so close this, come to rapid compiler. In on mobile phone, you need to scroll down to the last icon here, which is rapid compiler. Click on more. You're going to see a pop-up like this, then click enter score. So if you want to enter score, you just click this to enter score. Um, okay. So what you do is select the subject you want to enter score for, select the subclass you want to enter score for. So this is VLO A. You see the list of students in VLO A, CA exam, and you just enter your score. As simple as that. So once I'm done entering scores, I want to enter attendance. I can still come back to this same page. Click instead of entering score, I'll click enter attendance. It's okay. So once we are done with this page, we can quickly enter our attendance. Always click update attendance, same as score. So once you're done entering your score, always click update score so that that score will save, so that you don't have these issues of missing scores after. Once you're done entering, always click update score to save it in the system. The same thing happens in the behavior of the child. This right is for form teachers only. So as a form teacher, you can enter these things. So once you finish selecting their behavior according to the rating, always come here and click update so that it can be saved in the system. So that's just it.